Seeing as how you're new at this, I reckon the best thing to do is throw you in at the deep end, so enjoy. The heretics control the bulk of the transit mover network running from Chasm Station, moving supplies, personnel, the works. You're gonna redirect a train carrying an arch heretic and ambush him on the platform. Got it? Then let's find out what you're made of.
Today's little excursion should mean that folk can breathe easier. Kill one random heretic, nothing changes. Kill 1,000 random heretics, raises your smile, but that's it. But kill the right one, it brings their operations to a screaming halt for a bit. We can use that. First up, head for the marketplace. You can splice into the train scheduler from there. We don't generally go in by the front door. Case in point, you'll need to use the ventilation tunnels to reach the market.
We are chosen!
We cannot get back up this way.
I am unstoppable! Enemy!
One left down, you... Precious minority! Six inside!
Bloody barrel! Have a can! Death to the heavens! The mutant and the traitor!
That's the maintenance bay, you're on the right track. Keep it moving. Work as a team and you'll pull through.
Cover me while I reload! Brother! Stay!
Take the fight for them!
Ammo!
Pressure airlock tells the hive maintain integrity in the event of a disaster. I can't clear you to proceed unless you're all in position. That's the splice point down there. Get the data interrogator in place and let it do its work. Be warned, they're unreliable and prone to needing restarts. If that happens, one of you work on the fix and the rest watch their back. Got it?
Him on terror!
Data interrogation proceeding.
We are in the beneficent Emperor's hands!
Sort it out. schedule uploaded and hope we can make up for lost time. Right, that's the east part done. Next up, Chasm Terminus and our unlucky arch heretic.
Make ready! They are coming!
In case you were wondering, so far I'm not impressed. Not one of you know-opers would last a day on Armageddon. Lucky for you, the time is a much softer billing. With a bit of luck, it might last long enough to be useful. Can't you go any faster? We're going to have to toughen you up.
Ammunition! Praise the Emperor for his beneficence! You have been judged!
There's Chasm Station. Get yourselves inside.
I bring resignation! Duty! Hostile!
Precision is serving.
It grieves me to see this place so dishonored. Come on! Combat stim! See how they strike behind!
Searching for scrappers. Data.
Stab shot getter! Mona! Guide my hand! My gratitude!
Keep going. You're on the wrong side of the station. Last chance. The main event's still to come. I hope you're ready to fight.
Pilgrims to war!
That's the platform elevator, so get down there and hit this. You can't take the target one-on-one, so work together. Teamwork, got it?
I am forsaken, it seems.
Take respite while you can.
Fully functional.
Grenade!
How may I serve?
Your days are numbered, bastard!
Dice with your eyeballs!
Section redacted target confirmed. Go to work.
For you!
And you die! For the golden throne! I shall smite you!
All right. Hopefully you won't reduce this as our fault. Time will tell.
We are mighty!
That could have gone tidier, but she got the job done. Putting the traitor lieutenant down in the dust has thrown the occupation of Chasm Station into disarray. Breaks my heart. Vanguard elements of the Mobian 21st are moving in even as we speak. As for you, seeing as you're still breathing, Explicator Zola wants a word.
Enemy resistance in the Hive is chewing holes in the warband. We're losing trained veterans. And what do I get to replace them with? Dirtbag raw recruits like you. So here's a chance to impress me. You need to give us your best on every damn mission. You understand? I'll be watching you, Acolyte. What does your best look like?